Welcome to Likely AI's tutorial on integrating Follow Up Boss with the Refresh engine. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to log into your Follow Up Boss account. From there, select the Admin button. Scroll down and select All Integrations. From there, you'll want to select the Likely AI integration. This page will tell you a little bit more about what the Refresh Engine app can do. You'll want to scroll all the way to the bottom to enable the app. Keep in mind that you must be the account owner to be able to enable it. If you aren't, we suggest reaching out to the account owner and asking them to enable it for you. Once you enable the app, you'll want to select Admin again. From there, you'll want to scroll down and select API keys and lead email. Next, you'll want to create an API key. You'll need to give the API key a name. We recommend giving it a name that relates to Likely in some way, whether it's Likely AI or Refresh Engine. That way, you'll know which one you're looking at. You'll also need to copy the API key once Follow Up Boss generates it. After you copy the API key, you'll want to select People. From there, you can go to any of your contacts to input the API key. The Likely AI app will show up on the right-hand side of your screen. It may be a little further down your screen at first. This will prompt you to enter the API key that you just copied, as well as sign into your Refresh Engine account. Once that's done, your systems are linked. Great job! You integrated your Likely AI account with Follow Up Boss. Make sure you check out the next video on how to use the refresh tag to refresh your contacts. If you have any questions, please email us at success@likely.ai.